Is your Nintendo Switch stuck like a Snorlax in the middle of your gaming adventure? Don't panic. Today, we're going to show you how to force restart your Nintendo Switch, whether you have the original model or the vibrant OLED version, to get you back in the game in no time. First, locate the power button on your Nintendo Switch. It's on the top left side of the console, next to the volume buttons. Now, this is the key. Press and hold that power button for a full 12 seconds. It might feel like a lifetime, but trust me, after holding it for 12 seconds, the screen should go completely black. This indicates that the system is attempting to shut down. Next, press the power button again, just once. To turn your Nintendo Switch back on, you should see the Nintendo logo appear, indicating that it's restarting. Once it boots up, you'll be back at the home screen, ready to pick up where you left off, hopefully without losing too much progress. If this quick fix helped you out, give us a like and subscribe for more helpful Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. Now, get back to gaming.